Hi everyone, I am putting together some cards for Card Buffet, and I like to have a wide variety of cards at Card Buffet, and I wanted to have some Halloween. And so I thought I would use something with a punch, because I like to show some things with punches and some things with dies, and so I'm going to use this Bewitching stamp set and the fun witch's hat punch. Super cute. I like that it has little stars and a band. It's really fun, and I'm going to use that for Card Buffet. I also like to use up scraps, so I'm using some of these scraps on this card, and this paper is older. It's the same colors we have currently, and so I wanted to use, I always have little scraps of paper, and so I just really love using them. But I want to show you that you can still get them. A similar idea. So Stampin' Up! Sells patterned packs of paper 6x6 in all the color families. So these are from the Brights color family. And so the newer patterns are a little different. But I'm trying to use up some of the older ones before I go through the others. But here's the newer patterns. They come in, each color has 4 patterns. This side has a floral and a plaid, and then the other side has stripes and dots. So for my Halloween card, I would have went with stripes and dots. And then I'm using Granny Apple Green, Gorgeous Grape, and Mango Melody for Halloween. And I love those colors for a bright and fun Halloween card. Less spooky, more fun. And anyway, these packs are available, but I want to use up, I have a little bit left over of my old packs before I start cutting into these. And they come, like I said, in every color family, so you can get it. This is the in colors. I had to start cutting into these already because these are brand new colors. And this is that Parakeet Party. You know, I used to think that Granny Apple Green was like really bright. And then we started selling Parakeet Party. And now I think, oh, you know, yeah, Parakeet Party is so much brighter. So it's kind of amazing. Anyway, Mango Melody, Granny Apple Green, and Gorgeous Grape. So these strips are 3 3/4 inches long by 3/4 of an inch wide. Little scraps. And then from the Stylish Shapes dies, I've got the second to largest circle, and then the one right below it, so I guess third largest in white and Granny Apple Green, and then I use this little tiny one there in Mango Melody. Okay, and so I cut 2 each color of the strips, and then I've got that. I've got something for the inside. Oh, and I've got this black glimmer paper, really fun. This is 1.5 inches wide by 5 inches. And then my base is in Granny Apple Green. And I'll put this on the inside. Okay, so this is a really simple one. All I'm going to do is arrange my little paper strips down the front of the card. I kind of like to lay them out a little bit, get an idea. I think I'll go mango, and okay, so these are going to be in the middle. I'm going to kind of put them down first and then work my way up. And I'm kind of changing my designs every other one. So this one I'll try to do this design. Okay, there's my background. And then I'm just going to take this glimmery black and go off the side. I'm just showing a little bit of the end, like so. Okay, and now for my witch's hat, I'm going to stamp it on a scrap piece of paper and then punch it out with the punch. Now the stamp comes with 3 different ones. I'm going to use this one with the spots. They're all cute though. I want to make sure that I get a good solid image there. And then for the, I'm going to stamp the feet on this little guy. Now they barely fit, but they do fit. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to color my pieces. Now for this one, Granny Apple Green, when you color it, ends up a little darker. So I'm actually using Parakeet Party. It was just a little brighter and I really liked the brightness. But I'm using Mango Melody. And then same thing for this one. The Gorgeous Grape shows up just a little bit darker than I wanted. And so I decided to color with Highland Heather. It's kind of like the same color but just a little bit lighter. So let me show you what I mean. This is Gorgeous Grape, and against the black you barely see it, but if I use Highland Heather it shows up. So that's what I did, and I'm just going to color some of the dots. And maybe okay, let's punch this out. I'm also adding a really fun little glittered organdy ribbon in black, and we're just going to add a little bow. Super cute. Now I don't this stamp set doesn't come with any sentiments. See, it's just images, but that's okay because it's really cute and it'll go with any of your Halloween sets. And I happen to have lots of paper pumpkins from the past that are Halloween, real cute, like scary words and different things like that, or just Happy Halloween. Or there's a new stamp set called Scary Cute, which I really like, and I thought I would use this one since it's new and it's something that everybody can still get if they wanted to. But if you have some Halloween stamps, Happy Halloween or something like that on that little banner would be cute. And you can put it right here, or I have it sticking out up here, however you want to do it. I'm going to do the Boo. And I'm going to stick it right there. On my other one I had it sticking out the side, so I think I'll do this one different so you can see the differences and decide what works. Okay, and then on the inside, you can just do whatever you like. I thought that I would add some white and maybe a little Halloween happiness or trick or treat, you're so sweet, or let's do, I think I'm going to do Halloween happiness. And this little spider is cute. I like him. So let's bring him into the mix. There we go. Really fast and easy Halloween card. Super cute. You know what? I think I'm going to add these little stars just because I'm feeling I should have done it before gluing it down, but I'm feeling brave. So one of the nice things about Stampin' Write markers is that you can color directly on your stamps. So you can't use your Stampin' Blends for this because those are a permanent marker like a Sharpie. So then you'd be permanently marking up your stamps, and also it dries so fast that by the time you turn this over to add it, there we go. It's cute little colors. Let's do that again. There. Super fun little Halloween card. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you'll take a look at the Bewitching stamp set and paper punch. Really fun. This will be cute for scrapbook pages and cards and little treats, even real cute little treats. You can use this little punch. Super fun. Thanks for watching. I almost forgot to show you the other one with the tag coming off the side. There you go. 2 versions.